7 Best Hitch Bike Racks. In this video, we are going to show you the best Hitch bike racks reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. Swagman XC2 Hitch Mountain Bike Rack. 4.5 rating out of 5. Vehicle service type, bicycle. Product specification. Keeps your bike stable. Easy to assemble and use. Saves your storage space. Accessories sold separately. Easily transports up to 2 bikes. Number 2. Rocky Mounts West Slope Bike Rack. 4.3 rating out of 5. Vehicle service type, bicycle. Product specification. No contact with frame. Can carry up to 2 bike. Secures bicycle by front wheel. Recommended use year-round travel. Tiered mounting eliminates handlebar. Number 3. Yakima Ridgeback Tilt-Away Hitch Mounted Bike Rack. 4.4 rating out of 5. Vehicle service type, passenger car. Product specification. Easily access gear in your trunk. Carry 2 or more traditional bikes. Get bikes on the road without the hassle. Comes fully assembled and installs quickly. Protect your bikes from dents and scratches. Number 4. Thule Helium Platform Edge Bike Rack. 4.3 rating out of 5. Vehicle service type, trailer. Product specification. Quickly and securely attach bikes. Premium Platform Edge Bike Rack. Aluminum construction makes easy to use. Securely hold bike without frame contact. Remove bikes with integrated release handle. Number 5. Thule Easy Fold XT2 Hitch Bike Rack. 4.5 rating out of 5. Vehicle service type, truck. Product specification. High load capacity. Comes with anti-theft design. Provide easy, comfortable transport. Integrated folding bike loading ramp. Fast and effortless tool-free installation. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.